Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's a short one, but to wrap up my Euro shopping haul series, I'm sharing bag 3 of 3 that I brought home from Italy. It's actually my first piece of Louis Vuitton Monogram Canvas, and that's something I never thought I'd have in my collection at all. I was never a huge fan. I always thought it was too much print for me, and although I do still prefer it in the smaller formats, becoming more familiar with the brand has definitely made me more appreciative of the Monogram Canvas in general. Regardless, I'm eating my words now because when I originally saw the canvas in this format, I thought it was so cool, so iconic, and so representative of the brand in a really unique way. And I knew that I eventually had to have it. And while this piece had been on my radar for a while, I definitely wasn't planning to buy it on this trip, but I couldn't help myself and ended up getting it at the airport before leaving. I haven't used her yet, so although she's been with me for a few months now, she's still brand new. So welcome officially to my collection, the beautiful Louis Vuitton Papillon Trunk in Monogram Canvas. So this bag, designed by Nicolas Ghesquière, is a more structured version of the original Papillon bag. It's not the biggest bag, but I would say it fits more than you would think, even with its kind of barrel-like shape. The bag's trunk style pays homage to the brand's beginnings as a trunk maker, and the bag itself features Louis Vuitton's iconic monogram canvas. It also features a cowhide leather trim, gold tone hardware, an S-L closure, and microfiber lining inside. To make this bag more versatile, it comes with 2 removable straps. The matching canvas strap is adjustable and gives the bag a more casual vibe, whereas the chain strap can be used to elevate the bag and dress up an outfit. I know it's not the typical bag that you might see, but that's exactly why I love it. I just love the trunk vibes in this small format, and I don't know that I would ever be able to purchase one of their actual iconic full-size trunks, so in a way it feels like I have a wearable piece of that part of the brand's heritage. I don't know, guys. I think this is so cool, a bit different, and I cannot wait to wear it. And because it's a smaller piece, the monogram just really works for me. But I'd love to hear what you guys think of the piece. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. I'll save a full review for a future video, but I wanted to get this out and share it with you so that I can get to some of the other videos that I have planned, including the few items I picked up for Christmas. But that's all I have for you today, friends. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much, as always, for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!